God, low key dirty in this bit. All right, boys, I'm running late to my dentist appointment, so we gotta go. All right, boys, I just got here. I'm not late. I'm pretty early, but I'm gonna get my braces tightened. I'll be back in like fucking, hopefully it doesn't take too long, but I'll be back. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. All right, boys, I'm back. It didn't even take too long, probably like what, half an hour, just switching out the rubber bands, I guess, or whatever. But boys, before this video starts, I know y'all read the title and you're like, where the fuck? Me and the boys tried, I'm gonna say tried, doing a 24-hour challenge inside the garage. Misa was down, but he had to go. They were all down, but then they all gave up at the end, but there's still some funny stuff in there, so I was like, I'm not gonna scrap the video. Let me just put it in still. But I mean, enjoy it, boys. Just a little something chill, I guess. I'll be back though with more mods and shit, of course, you know. So I'll wait for next week, because next week's gonna have a mod for sure. But other than that, boys, just enjoy it. 24 hours in the garage, boys. We came to Walmart, pick up some supplies. Fucking, we have no shit bucket though, so no one can shit.
Hey, I don't plan on shitting.
Dude, you know what I thought though? Before I was like in my head, I was like, Misa would be the one to be like, bro, I got a hella shit. I hella got a shit. And I would feel like you would be the one that shits.
Guess what?
I
haven't eaten shit. So.
Well, you're about to eat. You're about to eat good. We all are.
Nigga wants to make me shit.
I want to make someone shit. Because that'll be a good thumbnail right there.
Shit on the ground.
Shit on the ground, it has. Nigga, yeah.
You didn't go to Dunkin' Miami? You didn't go.
What the fuck is Dunkin' Miami?
Said I hope it did.
Might as well just go to Best Buy.
Best Buy?
Fuck out of me. Look at this fucking car, man. That's what it's.
Can you buy me a leaf lights over there?
No, bro. No. We're about to start 24 hours in the garage. Head ass. We already fucking ate though.
I don't do nothing.
Cab. We're waiting for this fool because he's gonna cut this fool's hair. What are you gonna get, taper or fade, huh?
Both.
This nigga said. But we're gonna have this whole garage dark. I think we should keep one just in case someone tries doing something weird or some shit. I don't know who though.
Oh, that's what you meant. Because we're fucking.
Yeah, because in the dark.
Nigga, this nigga not even tripping about nothing, bro. You're gonna be sleeping in your house, huh? Hell,
yeah, Misa might not stay, bruh. So he's gonna have to get socked hard.
It's not even my fucking fault. I would want to stay.
Oh, look at my fucking tan line, boys.
Don't feel anything off.
Huh?
I look like a freaking neck.
Huh?
Look at the tan line. First victim of the night, fool. I'm not gonna show, bro. I'm not gonna show nothing. Sus. This fool's still cutting his hair. Bro, we've only been here for like what? Like 6 hours? Nah! 6 hours. Nah, you didn't even pee.
No, not yet.
What the fuck you come over here for then?
I was about to.
Oh my god. We've been in here for like 2 hours. It feels normal so far. I got a low-key pee, I'm not gonna lie. I might pee in a little bit. Oh, we finished eating. We're not even doing much right now, boys, but fuck. I'm the main part is the sleeping part. This is the bed right here. This is the setup. What y'all think? Y'all think this is comfortable or no?
I think it's cool tattoo, man.
It might be cool. It might be cool. If it's cold, it's fucked though. If it's cold, it's fucked. But we do have the heater.
You pee already, nigga?
He didn't pee, bruh. He said not yet. He has to drink more water, head ass. Oh my god.
What the fuck are you doing?
What the fuck did you just say? Let me see the cut.
The cut on my neck. Oh.
Neck.
Cinematics.
Nigga, my ears. Don't stop.
Hey, actually make this a cinematic, alright? Like with music and everything.
Okay.
Starting right now. Hey, why are you laughing, nigga? This is serious.
That's not no cinematics, bro.
Oh, right here. Right here. You look like a skeleton, my nigga. Oh, finally.
Don't touch me, bro. Ow. What'd you say? Dude, I gotta pee too. Misa, you literally filled up the whole fucking bottle. Bro, you need to drink more water. Exposed. Look, I'm about to pee. We'll see if my shit is clean or not. Any guesses? It's gonna be clean, I know for a fact. Let me pee real quick. Y'all don't look though. Y'all don't look. That's some sus stuff. This nigga peed on the fucking floor.
Oh my god.
That's nigga. Ew. We're smelling piss all fucking night, bruh. That's fucking gross. What the fuck? Why you on your... Hey, fool. Why you on your tippy toes when you pee? Why you on your tippy toes when you're peeing, bruh? Nigga said, Michael Jackson.
High wind warning.
Oh.
This was reporting the wind. North winds to 25 to 35 miles per hour with gust of 60 to...
That's how fast this fool's car goes.
60 to, dude, that's just no problem. Bay Area,
That's right.
we'll have the garage open. I don't know.
35 miles per hour wind is not that bad.
Gust from 70 to 80.
What the fuck is gust?
We're about to die.
When it goes...
I recorded that shit, nigga. When it goes...
I can't even make a sound with y'all niggas.
Oh, hey, nigga. That shit scared the shit out of me, bro. My heart dropped for a second. This fool's knocking for no reason. Oh, have you heard the fucking... when you're wearing your headset on your...
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, that knock? That shit fucking scares the shit out of me, nigga. It feels real. Nigga, chill, bro. Oh my god. Hey, look.
Fucking serious.
Hey, you feel something.
Bro, chill.
It's Wednesday for the class.
Oh my god.
Hey, nigga, chill.
It's late, fool.
My mouth, nigga.
It's only 10, but...
And it's my mouth that makes it be this movie.
Oh my god, bro.
What the fuck, nigga?
What'd he say?
Hey,
Ew.
I'm sleeping.
The Liberian is here. Oh no. Oh, there we go, kinda. Oh. I remember this one I fucked up. Fucking nasty ass, dude. Why can no one pee in a fucking bottle? Are you all kidding?
Is it transfer?
How do you fill up a fucking bottle, nigga? How many bottles of pee are we gonna have?
The transfer was insane.
Nigga peed on himself, he knows for a fact.
You will be the worst electrician.
It's off, nigga.
You did not know, I'm trying to fucking fix it.
Bro, we had electrical tape, but we were the winner.
Right there.
Fucking retard.
No, look,
Hold it.
I can push it in though. Go, tape it right there.
That's all I get.
Let's get this.
Shut up. I'm an electrician, look at me. Stop moving.
Nigga, call you electrician for what? No tan pendidos.
Cause you fucking move.
You ain't gonna leave me laughing when I get some pussy?
Go home, nigga, go home.
Send me your best memes.
Challenge him.
She wants feet pics.
Let me see.
Yeah, you better not send her your nails.
I'll be like, I'm gonna send a video from scratching the floor.
Scratching the floor with your nails.
Nigga, you shaking hell on my nigga.
I know I shake head, look. That's...
Bro, I don't get why this is fucking stupid though. You know what I mean? Wait. You literally don't have nothing else?
Tape it like this.
Whoa.
You can't even find the thing.
We're gonna send her a meme.
What you mean? Like that?
I don't know.
We came out. Hold on.
Go.
Oh.
Don't bite my feet.
I don't know anymore.
Hey!
What you
I
say?
don't memes.
Nigga, that's not his memes. It's just random. This is a gift.
Oh.
It's a gift.
Yeah, it's a gift.
I'll be like, Happy Martin Luther King's Day.
Do that.
That's actually funny, bro.
Yeah, because that's random.